What is up guys, my name is Tala and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. Now in this video, I'm going to answer all your questions regarding the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i, because I know lots of you guys have asked questions regarding that laptop. So if you will watch this video till the end, you will get to know everything, because after that you can easily and confidently buy that laptop and just be happy with it. First of all, the question is, how about the battery life and the thermals? So my friend, I have been using this laptop since around 2 weeks now, and the battery life is just absolutely amazing, and it gives me around 6 hours of battery usage after 100% full charge. And let me tell you, my usage involves lots of things. I surf YouTube for 2 hours, and I have been using like GTA 5 for 1 hour, then I have been doing Primavera and Rivet for 1 hour. So yeah, it is just a heavy work usage. So if you are using if you want this laptop just for online classes, or you are doing some kind of online course, or like watching YouTube, Netflix and doing all that other stuff, not heavy stuff, some simple stuff, then this will give you a very good battery backup. Like, you just don't have to worry about the battery life getting drained very easily. It will give you an awesome battery backup. So the question is, can this laptop be charged via USB Type-C port? So I have tested it and it's not working. So this laptop cannot be charged via USB Type-C port. This USB Type-C port is only for data transfer. So you can transfer the data from your smartphone to the laptop and vice versa. So the third question is, does it lag when it's plugged in? So lots of laptops I've used, and I have actually seen these problems happening in laptops. That is, when you are plugged in and you are using this laptop, it just gets heated up and it's lagging. But that's not the case in this laptop, the Slim 5i 11 Gen. And I have been using it and I have faced no problems. There was no lag. I was using it very confidently, and yeah, it just works great, and I just don't feel any lag in it. So yeah, the performance is absolutely not going to degrade because of the fact we have 2 graphic cards. It's very powerful, and I'm just yet about to find any lags. But yeah, there's just no lags in this laptop. So one more question is, where did you buy this laptop? First of all, I bought this laptop from an offline store, because lots of people are thinking that I bought it online. That's not the case. And yes, you can obviously get it online, but yeah, the prices might differ from what I bought in offline store. And what is the exact price of it? So let me just tell you, the exact price of this laptop is around 70k INR, like Indian rupees. So yeah, it might differ from where you live, your region, but yeah, in India, it's very costly. It's expensive laptop, and when I mean around 70k, it's not absolutely 70k, it's like a little up than that. So when will it be available in the Lenovo website with the MX450? So my friend, this laptop will be very soon available on the Lenovo website, and the guy that I was buying this laptop from also told me that yes, it will be enabled, like yes, it will be available at the online store also. But yeah, it's just like, if you take my opinion, buying stuff like really expensive stuff like laptops and TVs, and if you're buying a good TV like a 4K TV, you should definitely buy it from an offline store, because there you can get like experience how well it works, and you can like really try that product and then buy it yourself. So it just helps a lot. So yeah, that's just my personal advice. I don't know what you think. Tell me in the comments, should you buy from an online store or offline store, especially if you're buying something more expensive like 30k, 40k, or like 70, 80k, all the way to 1 lakh. So just tell me in the comments below. So there's one more question one guy asked me, that is, can we install SSD by removing that 1 TB SSD in this laptop? First of all, if you guys don't know, this laptop has both the things, 256 GB SSD and also 1 TB SSD. But in case you want to remove the SSD and install just the SSD, I don't think it's possible, because yes, it's just not possible. The guy at the Lenovo store also told me that in the SSD slot you can't put up SSD. I know it's such a silly question, but yes, I just wanted to answer this because lots of people are having confusion. So I just wanted to clear it out that no, you cannot install SSD in that SSD slot. But there's one thing you can do that is absolutely great. That is, just remove that 256 GB SSD and buy a 512 GB SSD if you have money for that. So that's also one thing you can do. Let's talk about one more thing, that is, you should definitely follow me on Instagram, and also you can talk to me on Instagram. I reply to all of the DMs. You can ask my other subscribers that I am very happy to help everyone. So yeah, if you will follow me on Instagram, that will just mean a day for me, and subscribing here is just most welcome. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.